What's up, guys? I'm back, and today I have my Arrma Kraton 4S on the table. This is the v2.5, and I ended up building this from an Outcast. I got this body. I wanted to mount it up on the Outcast, but it ended up being too long. This is the J Concept Ford Ranger. I think it's the 79, and I just had to have it. So I ended up building this thing just for it. And man, it looks good. I am loving it. I have the RC all-wheel drive axles on here. Let's see. I did go and I eliminated the rear wing. I just put shorter screws in there and just took it off. I'm not into the whole wing thing. And I went and I put the Kraton 4S wheelie bar on the back just to finish it off. Now we're going to install the M2C chassis brace for the v2.5 Kraton. Oh yeah, guys, check it out. This thing looks awesome. Well, let's get to this. All right, she's upside down. This is how she's gonna fit on there. I think it's gonna look really good on there, guys. So, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull all these screws out of here. So we gotta remove these rear bulkhead screws from the looks. The what is that, motor bracket brace there, and these two here. Let's see, and we have to remove this front one. And let's see, we're going to leave this one off to the side because I think we have to reuse this front one. We don't reuse these four. That's what the four new screws are for. Alright, so what else do we need to remove? We got that gone. Just got to get it out of there. That'd be a pain. Alright, and we're not going to reuse that one. What else do we need to remove here? So it looks like also these two. I think we'll reuse this screw also. And we need this one out. All right, so we actually have a longer one that we'll put back in there. All right, so we got four of these. You drop them in the holes. They're just washers. Let's see, I lost one, guys. Where is it? Aha. All right, so we got four of them. Drop them in there. All right. This is a pretty simple install so far, guys. This is awesome. I'm really liking this. Everything just fits in there like perfectly. Look at that. And that one. And that one. And look at this. Boom. How easy is that, guys? Let's see. That one just doesn't seem long enough, but I think it's because the plastic block has moved on us. All right, so let's see what we got here. See if I can get it to grab. Oh. I'm gonna have to flip that one over, but let's get these in. Just snug them up. Yeah, I won this chassis brace from M2C through the jump competition. This thing isn't cheap. I don't know if I would have owned it if it wasn't for the competition through East Tactics. It's amazing, guys. I can't believe it. I won. Here I am. It's really making this project come together. Oh yeah. All right. And one more. There, all snug. The last one we have here. Let's see, what is the problem? Ah, there's the problem, guys. The nut fell out. Well, I'm going to get this back in here. Oh no. Well, I'm going to pull this apart. You don't need to see this, but all it did is I lost my nut. And then we'll get back to this and I'll show you what it looks like installed. All right, guys, I got it back in there. I just need to go and snug these up by hand. Don't want to strip them out. And just my luck, you know, that screw pushed the nut out. I've never had that problem before. Just when I try to film, you know, just my lucky day, I guess. All right, let's get this guy. And we need 2 mil to finish this off. Oops, that's not the one, is it? Aha, still in my screw gun. Well, guys, there it is. Check it out. Oh yeah, this thing looks awesome on there. I think this is really going to protect that chassis, and I can't wait to get it out and test it. There you go, guys. That was way too easy. It was a perfect fit, and it took no time whatsoever. I can't wait to get this thing out. This build has been in the making for too long, and I haven't even driven it yet. But video will be coming soon. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you next time.